In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Kaspersky subscription effortlessly. If you've decided that Kaspersky isn't the right fit for you anymore, or perhaps you're just looking to switch providers, then worry not. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure the process is as quick and as smooth as possible. First, you need to head over to the Kaspersky website. You can easily find this by searching for Kaspersky in your preferred search engine. Or you can type in kaspersky.com directly into your browser's address bar. This website is where you'll access information related to your account, security products, and most importantly, your subscriptions. Once you're on the Kaspersky homepage, the next step is to find and click on My Kaspersky. This is usually located at the top right of the homepage, and selecting it will take you to a portal specifically designed for managing your personal settings and security subscriptions. In the next screen that appears, you'll need to sign in to your account. There should be a Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this button will bring up a prompt for your login credentials. Now, you'll enter the email address and password associated with your Kaspersky account. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually an option to reset it. Just follow the reset instructions to regain access to your account. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself directed to the Kaspersky home interface. Here, you gain access to various features and the ability to manage your licenses. It's your central hub for anything related to your Kaspersky products. Now that you're in Kaspersky Home, look for the section labeled Subscriptions. This is where all your active and past subscription information is stored. Clicking on Subscriptions will reveal a detailed list of all services you are currently subscribed to. From here, you'll see an option that says Manage Subscriptions. Selecting this option is key to having control over how your subscriptions are handled. You can update payment methods, check renewal statuses, and, of course, cancel subscriptions. To proceed with the cancellation, find and click on Cancel Subscriptions. This action will prompt a confirmation to ensure you wish to go through with the cancellation. Be sure to read any prompts or warnings that may appear, as they can give you important information about billing cycles, refund policies, and potential service termination. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Kaspersky subscription. By following these steps, you've taken control of your digital security management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials and guides in the future.